So, a lot of what this presentation alludes to is work-life balance, especially for nurses, because their job can be very straining mentally, emotionally, and physically. Um, if they don't have a good schedule or it's not working with their life, they're not going to want to stay. They're going to call off and they're going to want to switch to another facility that better suits them. Overtime, just like we watched in the video, it can be taken one of two ways. It's all on how it's presented. If they feel like they're really helping out and they're encouraged and they're thanked and they're appreciated, they're going to pick up overtime. But sometimes there's just too much overtime available, and that really affects the employee too. Can cause call offs and leaving to find another job. Shift work, I mentioned previously. Shift work is very hard when you're working night shift and then you have to sleep during the day and you're still trying to maintain a normal life, and that can cause a very offset work-life balance. Time off as well. Um, a employer can offer as much PTO as they want, but if they're not going to approve for the employee to take it off, it's just not going to work off, and it's not going to work out, and it's not going to allow them to have a good work-life balance because they need that time to recuperate and spend time with their family, um, among other things. And then the last slide is just my references that I used, and that's it.